3 myths about the Reliability Conference busted. Myth 1, I can learn everything I need on LinkedIn or YouTube. Busted. Yes, LinkedIn and YouTube are great resources, but at the Reliability Conference, we record every original presentation, insights and case studies you won't find anywhere else. These recordings are exclusively available to members and subscribers of Reliability Web, making the experience truly one of a kind. Myth 2, everyone knows conferences like the Reliability Conference are just boondoggles to get out of work for a few days. Busted. 80% of attendees are decision makers or the movers and shakers in maintenance, reliability, and asset management. These are people who attend with clear objectives, a plan to improve their organizations, and a passion for advancing enterprise reliability. This is not a vacation. It's a strategy session for high-performance professionals. Myth 3, we're already great at reliability. There's nothing more to learn. Busted. Even the best-run companies in the world come to the Reliability Conference to stay ahead. Reliability is not a destination, it's a journey. The conference provides leading-edge knowledge, new tools, and a community of experts to ensure your organization continues to evolve and excel. What myths are holding you back from attending the Reliability Conference? Let's bust them together. See you in Seattle, April 29th through May 1st, 2025.